Welcome to Learn Easy YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you 5 simple ways to speed up your Android device. No apps, no roots, just simple settings. First, clear background apps. Close unused apps running in the background. Many apps keep using your phone's memory even when you are not using them. Just open the recent apps menu and swipe away everything you don't need. This instantly frees up RAM and makes your phone smoother. Second, clear cache. First, clear your app cache. Go to settings, apps, select heavy apps like Chrome browser, Instagram, or TikTok. Then go to storage, tap clear cache. This removes junk files that slow down your phone. Don't worry, your data stays safe. Tip number 3. Disable animations. Go to settings, about phone, software information, tap 7 times build number. It will turn on developer options. Now go back to settings, developer options, and reduce window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale to 0.5x. Your phone will feel twice as fast. Tip number 4. Remove unused apps. Uninstall apps you don't use. Go to settings, apps, unused apps, select any app that you don't no longer using and uninstall. Each unused app keeps running background processes that slow your phone. Tip number 5. Restart regularly. Finally restart your phone once or twice a week. It clears temporary files and refreshes your system memory. Simple but powerful. These are 5 ways to make your phone faster. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Learn easy. I will share more simple tech tricks every week.